Kinkinama nga si Maglengsin Birau Island Nissan Kanchipur near Standard Robert Higher Secondary School.
SV Gadwell School की Class 11 Science अमरी Humanities की admission होजरे. पिजरिबु खुदोंग चाबसिंगदी metric परीक्षादा चादा हुंफुतरा मंगागी मथक्ता फंगबा महिरोई सिंगी admission अमदी tuition fee लौजरोई. चादा हुंफुतरा की मथक्ता फंगबा महिरोई सिंगिना admission अमदी tuition fee तंखाई ताजगने. अमदी चादा हुंफुमंगा की मथक्ता फंगबा महिरोई सिंगिना admission fee तंखाई ताजगने. जुलाई कुलहुमदोई इंग्लिश सिंगनी कुंदगी online class होजरगने. अकुपा मरोलगिदमा contact तौबियु SV Gadwell School Houtal Thangzam Kuno Pangai Road. Contact number 98629-25948 natraga 7085934266 natraga 8132856.
Top news headlines. US reports more than 68,000 new virus cases in 24 hours. India sees spike of 37,724 cases in last 24 hours. And Bodha town More reportedly violating COVID guidelines. A very good afternoon. Welcome to Times of Manipur. You're watching the news today at 1 p.m. I'm ALBINA RIAMEI giving you the latest news updates. US President Donald Trump said that the United States is leading the world in terms of COVID-19 testing and India is at the second position. Trump made these remarks while giving an update on his administration's handling of the coronavirus crisis, according to media reports. The United States reported 68,524 new COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours. The country, which is reeling hard under the onslaught of the pandemic, has now registered a total of 38,91,893 infections, the Baltimore-based university said today. Meanwhile, residents of Australia's second most populous city, Melbourne, have been directed to wear masks when leaving home from today. This development comes even as tighter border restrictions were imposed with neighbouring New South Wales state to check the spread of coronavirus. Additionally, cross-border travel between Victoria and New South Wales will now only be allowed for work, education or medical care after the border was closed earlier in July for the first time in 100 years. India recorded a spike of 37,724 COVID-19 cases and 648 deaths in the last 24 hours. The total COVID-19 cases have risen to 11,92,915 and there are 4,11,133 active cases in the country. The number of cured or discharged or migrated stands at 7,53,050, while the death toll has climbed to 28,732, according to the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Meanwhile, the coronavirus situation is in control in Mumbai, with the number of cases being reported daily being less than 1,500, according to media reports. As Manipur is witnessing rapid surge in the number of COVID-19 positive cases on daily basis, the related department in the state has taken up extra preventive measures to control virus transmission. According to our More correspondent in Bodha town More, people are reportedly violating government-laid-down COVID-19 protocols and doing things their own way. Meanwhile, Civil Administration More along with More Police and ADC Chandal members have been working hard for spreading awareness on COVID-19 to the masses in the town. The report said most of the people in Moreh are seen venturing out of their houses without wearing face masks, and even passenger service autos were seen plying on the roads without following the guidelines. Police personnel in Moreh are having a hard time in the bid to enforce COVID-19 SOPs in public places. Moreover, people are giving more headache to the personnel by violating the curfew timings in the border town, our Moreh correspondent informed. In Manipur, 90 persons were confirmed positive for COVID-19 in the last 24 hours. This takes the total tally to 2,015 in the state as of Wednesday. An official report said that the fresh cases were confirmed at the Viral Research and Diagnostic Laboratories of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIAMEI, Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, JNIMS, District Hospital in Jiribam and Thoubal, and Mobile Testing Center, Imphal West. The new cases are from Imphal West, Imphal East, Jiribam, Kangpokpi, Kakching, Tengnaupal and Thoubal districts. The COVID-19 Common Control Room said the recovery rate in the state is 68.68%. The number of active cases now stands at 631, while 1,384 individuals have been recovered from the disease till now. In the past 24 hours, 64 patients were discharged from COVID care centers across the state after recovery.All roads wore a deserted look and all commercial establishments came to a grinding halt in Lilong area under Thoubal district. Cops were seen on the road to drive away curfew and lockdown violators. The entire Thoubal district is under strict surveillance. Following a rapid surge in COVID-19 cases, the district magistrate Thoubal yesterday imposed prohibitory orders restricting movement of people outside their residence in the district.We have a short commercial break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Mega Manipur School, Yaril Patansit Road, Imphal East. Admission open for Class 11 Science, Arts and Commerce. Eligibility 50% and above. Last date of online and offline submission 24th of July 2020. Offline admission form can be obtained from Mega Manipur Society Office, Handsome House, Kaishampad, Pauna Bazaar.As a response to the COVID-19 pandemic, Mega Manipur Society offers one-time 50% reduction in the admission fee for Class 11 students in the school, and some limited additional seats are reserved for Class 1 to 9, especially for the students coming from outside the state. For more details and facilities, please contact Principal Mega Manipur School. Mobile number 9774785283. You can also visit the website www.megamanipurschool.in.
Nang medical ta masatpado exyaw gina nang natahang malaini. General Nursing and Midwifery GNM 3 years course. 12 pass in arts or science stream and confused to become a part of one of the most respectable professional career of all time. 12 pass and above, duration 3 years 6 months. BSc in Medical Radiology and Imaging Technology DMRI.
Ultrasound, MRI, CT scan, X-ray.
BSc in Medical Laboratory Technology.
BSc in Operation Theatre Technology.
Admission for Vivgyor Institute of Management and Information Technology for the session 2020-2021. Affiliated to Manipur University. Eligibility 12 pass. Available courses are BBA, BCA. Short-term courses. Available courses are DCA, CCCA and Tally. Facilities available. State-of-art infrastructure, well-furnished and equipped classroom. Qualified and well-experienced teacher, visiting faculty from industry and academic, placement call, computer lab with internet facilities, library, canteen, conference hall and playground. For more details, please contact the office. Address Sangai Pro, FCI Road, Imphal. SV Gadwal School ki Class 11 Science amadi Humanities ki admission hausare. Pizaribu kudong chabsingdi metric parikyada chada humputara mangagi matakta fangba mahiroi singi admission amadi tuition fee laujaro. Chada humfutara gi mathakta fangba mahiroi singina admission amadi tuition fee tangkhai tajagani. Amadi chada humpumanga gi mathakta fangba mahiroi singina admission fee tangkhai tajagani. July kulhumdoi English ngani kundagi online class su haujaragani. Akupamorol didama contact WU SV Gadwal School Hautal Thangjam Khuno Pangai Road. Contact number 98629-25948 natraga 7085934266 natraga 8132856942.
Welcome back. Lions Club of Imphal Global and Lions Club of Imphal Chanura provided basic items to the Hope Home at Takyal Khongbal, Maninglaikai today. The two organizations also planted samplings around the home. President of Lions Club Imphal Global, Bidesh Chirom, and Lions Club Imphal Chanura President R.K. Balasana were present. The items included face masks, hand sanitizers, and other edible items.
Stays the laga can taminaba awareness piba at the same time akoi ngamzaba face masks adagi hand sanitizer adagi akoi angang pimsa sing akta lebenina akoina sanitary napkins plus akoi home sigi chana thaknanaba even nga yauna ko asi charama chaminanaba si akoi pujaraga laksabani plus at the same time akoina ngasigi oirakliba environment gi yamna sathiraba global warming up adagi kaitharakliba prakriti kaitharakliba scenario si masidais dai khoina kaitang protection pinanaba environment ka mari lenana khoi tree plantation asi su khoina yam maruina khoi pakhatchabani.
The hope of home in Palse masigi darkar ba khara khoina ngamjaba khara kano cheng adagi alu adagi hand sanitizer mask khara makhoida khoina bijaba gi thoramni.
Grievance Cell of Ethno Heritage Council Hericount launched a drive at wholesale and retail shops in Imphal to check price goes amid the COVID-19 lockdown. Today's drive covered Dharmasala, Pauna Bazar, Lamlong, Assembly Road and Mazid Road. Hericount Secretary General Y. Surjakumar said that if the shopkeepers maintain the price fixed by the government during the lockdown, the effect on the common people can be mitigated. The drive was carried out following a meeting of Hericount and wholesalers, retailers, suppliers and dealers on June 20th to stop price gouging. Department of Relief and Disaster Management, Government of Manipur organized a one-day training cum awareness program on disaster management with emphasis on COVID-19 for various stakeholders of Bishnupur district yesterday. Department of Relief and Disaster Management Additional Chief Secretary M.I. Khan, Bishnupur District Deputy Commissioner Nita Arambam, and Bishnupur Municipal Council Chairperson L. Maniaima attended the program as main guest. Resource persons demonstrated on rescue operations during the program. M.I. Khan said that the program was to sensitize the masses on disaster management amid the COVID-19 crisis. Samaram Youth Voluntary Organization SYVO Samaram has appealed to Kangabo constituency-based social worker KH Manzo Mangang to stop misguiding the people of Samaram on social media and media platform. Talking to reporters today at Samaram, SYVO Treasurer KH Bikain said that amid the COVID-19 pandemic and lockdown, with money contributed by the residents and a water pump provided by former BJP Manipur Pradesh Vice President Thokchom Jadumani, water has been drawn into local ponds. However, on social media, a section of the people have claimed that social worker Manzo has contributed in providing water to the village, which is baseless.
Case Manzo Mangang na Puki Sambram Pomaki Puki Simana Ising Jansen Bira Heaven Singing Lama Topi Tobigano, Makata Tobigano, Adugamana Sambrangi Lopon in the Lady Lopon in the Ising Pizuna, low from Krahavizu, Aramba, Persari Masizu, Makata, Masivi, Masida Kudung Saras, and Kudung Sabalovi, Nohena, Perja, Sambrangi Perjamo, and Ina Midagi Tonga, Singokeri.
Nambol L College Students Union organized a dinner program for the inmates of the community quarantine center opened at the college, which was also participated by security personnel and volunteers. Union General Secretary Moirangthem James, Finance Secretary Pebam Sanamacha, Games and Sports Secretary Lairenzam Ngantoy and other members were present. At the occasion, Union General Secretary Moirangthem James urged people to follow the standard operating procedure SOP guidelines as there is increasing fear of community transmission of coronavirus in Thaubal and Jiribam districts.
Jiribam da amadi Thawal district ta laiba fibam sigi yengaga Manipur ki praja miyam na isa isa na lawam thokpa thodang amadi government ki SOP ji ngak na chatmina ji haina praja miyam da Nambolen Sanai College ki student union ki maikai dagi praja miyam da amadi laiba volunteer sing quarantine center ki sumba sing dai.
Again, we have a short commercial break. Stay tuned.
Competitive Success Academy ki class 11 amadi 12 science ki admission hauzare. Pizaribu khudong chabasing adudi June tha fawbada admission tawbirakpa class 11 science ki ahanba mahiroi yankhai gi admission fee chada yankhai tajagani. Bosen na lawba exam da chada marifu amadi CBSE na lawba exam da chada marifu taragi mathakta fangba mahiroi singi oina admission amadi tuition fee lawjaroi amasung scholarship pijagani. Chada humphudagi humphutara manga fawba phangba mahiroi singi admission tangkhai tamak lawjagani amadi lairik lem na fanghanjagani. Class 12 ta ming chanabagi damak atopa board tagi class 11 pass tawraba matung eligibility certificate pairaba mahiroi singda ming chanbagi khudong chaba pijari. Akuppa marol gidamak contact tawbirau Competitive Success Academy Uripok Khoisnam Laikai Imphal. Contact number 6909199961 natraga 89747 natraga 9436288 natraga 7005892
AKID Center, Gari Makhalekai gi Imphal Valley Academy da hangliba center asina NET amadi IIT JEE experiencing da top makal gi coaching piri. LN Akash Fitji amadi Kota Rajasthan gi experience leraba faculty singna center asida takpi tambiri. AKID learning app su leizare Google Play Store dagi download tabiba yaragani. Online admissions open. Register today.
I give schedule ina I comment amjari council gi 2020 gi exam asida thagiba satra myam sing menung da ai amani AKID ki oiba top teachers khara mayang from the AKID ki oza singa regular classes lobudagi hendokuna akoina kaigumba topic amada doubt lerpa kanda individual classes loga AKID mentor amadi faculty miyanga tanarakanda doubt singa do clear tobi ai adu sunatana AKID ki oiba methodology amadi tips and tricks miyamsina previous year problem solve torpa kanda yamna line tholi masidagi akoina confidence gain toroga akoina entrance exam thaba kanda su chawna mai pakani haibagi thazaba pol and I choose AKID.
And I choose AKID.
And I choose AKID.
And I choose AKID.
Welcome back. Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal visited the erosion-hit areas of Tulsijara village near Hagrama Bridge in Chirang district yesterday and assessed the devastations caused by River A. As per a media report, he also visited flood relief camps set up at number 341 Majarabari Lower Primary School and number 128 Noapara LP School by Chirang District Administration and interacted with the inmates and took stock of the government services being provided at the centers. Referring to a question regarding water flowing down from Bhutan causing flood in Assam, the Chief Minister said the central government would take up the matter with the Bhutan government for bringing out an early solution. The Chief Minister also observed that Prime Minister Narendra Modi-led union government has made sincere efforts to find a permanent solution to the flood and erosion problem of Assam, the report added. The number of COVID-19 cases is increasing at rapid rate in various parts of Assam, including Guwahati, Dibrugarh, Jorhat, Silchar, Sivasagar and other areas. According to our Assam Bureau Chief, since the lockdown was lifted in Assam, the state reported 1,000 spike of COVID-19 confirmed cases in a single day. Meanwhile, Assam Health Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma informed media that Nehru Stadium in Guwahati, Sankardev Kalakshetra, Royal Global School, Delhi Public School and Kaziranga School COVID Care Center have been turned into COVID Care Centers. The Health Minister also expressed concern over possibility of COVID-19 positive cases increasing double-fold in August next. On the other hand, in view of the severe condition in Assam, the state government has banned inter-district transport service in the state from today till August 2 next. The total number of COVID-positive cases in Assam has reached 26,772 with 8,672 active cases, while 18,033 have been discharged or recovered. 64 individuals have died of the disease so far in the state, the report said. The COVID-19 tally in Tripura increased to 8 with the demise of one more person in the state, while the state registered 254 new positive cases, taking the state's overall tally to 3,348. A total of 5,185 samples were tested yesterday, out of which 254 were found positive for the virus. As per media reports, 81 other patients who were earlier infected by COVID-19 have been discharged from various districts' COVID care centers after they tested negative. On Monday, the state recorded 202 cases, while on Sunday, 223 cases were reported in Tripura. The West Tripura district has reported the maximum number of positive cases. Out of the 254 people tested positive for COVID-19 on Tuesday, 65 are from West Tripura district, while 36 infected patients are from Gumati district, 28 from Sepa Hilja, 33 are from Dalai district, 48 are from North Tripura, 29 are from South Tripura, 3 are from Unakoti, and 12 infected patients are from Khowai district. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will address the India Ideas Summit organized by US-India Business Council tonight at 9 p.m. via video conferencing. In a tweet, the Prime Minister said that during the event, he will share his views on building a better future. The summit is being hosted by the US-India Business Council. This year marks the 45th anniversary of the formation of the Council. The theme for this year's India Ideas Summit is Building a Better Future, a media report said. The virtual summit will feature high-level presence from Indian and US government policymakers, state-level officials, and thought leaders from business and society. Other key speakers at the summit include Minister of External Affairs Dr. S. Jaishankar, US Secretary of State Mike Pompeo, former US Ambassador to the United Nations Nikki Haley, among others. Ghaziabad-based journalist Bikram Joshi, who was shot in the head in front of his two daughters on Monday night, succumbed to injuries on Wednesday morning. Yes, he is no more. He passed away at around 4 a.m. during treatment at the hospital, a family member said. According to a media report, the journalist was attacked 4 days after he filed a complaint against some men for allegedly molesting his relative. Police have arrested 9 people so far: Bizay, Mohit, Dalvir, Akash, Yogendra, Abhishek Mota, Abhishek, Shakir, and the main accused, Ravi. Police said Joshi, who works with Jan Sagar today, was on a scooter with his 2 daughters in Pratap Vihar when he was cornered by a group of men who assaulted and later shot at him. He was rushed to Yashoda Hospital and was in critical condition in the ICU. Now we have the local newspaper headlines.
The People's Chronicle. COVID cases cross 2,000 mark. Janim's hostels sealed. No community transmission in state till that, says authorities. Tribal student bodies call for resolving pay. Fee spat. Total curfew in virus hotspot Thoubal district. The Sangai Express. Apprehension of community transmission grows as total crosses 2,000 mark. Curfew clamped in Thoubal. 90 more test positive. TH Muiva flies to Delhi for treatment. Toyi village reels underwater scarcity. Imphal Free Press. Indefinite curfew imposed in Thoubal district as COVID-19 cases increase. CRPF personnel under home quarantine test positive. NSC and IM decries office memorandum issued by Nagaland Chief Secretary. Manipur Mail. Curfew imposed in Thoubal. RIMS OPD closed down. Assam flood situation worsened. Home Minister expresses concern. PMGKY giving vital social and food security to the poor.
Before we wind up, let's look at the top news headlines once again. US reports more than 68,000 new virus cases in 24 hours. India sees spike of 37,724 cases in last 24 hours. on border town More reportedly violating COVID guidelines. And with that, it's a wrap for this afternoon news edition. Thank you for joining us. Good day ahead.
Sangai Services Private Limited, Yelhomida Thabak Pirasi, Thabak ta Chilhau Thiru.